The program is being implemented in partnership with Ghana School Feeding Program, the Ghana Education Service, the Ghana Health Service, and Women in Agriculture Development. Rice, which is staple food in Ghana, is fortified during milling process with essential vitamins and minerals to improve nutrition while strengthening the local production. Under the public school components, the program is reaching more than 157,000 students, including basic and senior high schools pupils across 6 regions, including Upper West, Upper East, Northern, Ashanti, Oti, and Greater Accra regions. At Ajiso Secondary Technical School in the Ashanti region, school authority says the intervention is already yielding positive results.
As we all know, the unpolished, parboiled, fortified rice, the name fortified, it has some nutrients. It's not like the ordinary rice that is polished, the white rice that we are used to. This one has been fortified with nutrients. So it's also added to the nutrition of our students.
Although acceptance was initially slow due to student preference for perfumed white rice, school authority says sustained education and nutrition campaign helped to improve uptake.
We had a little challenge. That we are all used to the perfumed rice, the white rice. So even though we educated the students before this project was rolled out, we even had a nutrition campaign where the home economics students used the unpolished rice for different recipes, rice drink, rice pizza, and other things. We educated them, but accepting it, there were a few challenges. The rice was not like the white rice, the perfumed rice they were used to. So there were some resistance. We kept on educating them.
The Ashanti Regional School Health Education Program Coordinator, Adu Emmanuel, says the initiative complements national efforts to promote healthy eating habits in schools and surrounding communities. Assessments conducted with Ghana Education Service reviewed cases of anemia and obesity among students, particularly in rural areas, reinforcing the need for targeted nutrition interventions.
Yeah, we visited some of the schools, and then we noticed that some of them were anemic, and some of them are even obese. With that aspect, there is a need for such a nutrition aspect to also come in to support, to ease the children from that situation, not being obese or malnourished in their dieting. So especially when you go to the rural areas, we are facing that challenge. And we also had a report from Ghana Health Service concerning this issue. That is why it's very important to also meet these people in supporting this program.
The student at Ajiso Secondary Technical School says they now enjoy the fortified rice and find it both nutritious and filling.
I would say it tastes very, very good. Initially, we were used to the perfumed rice, like we lost those things, but since it came back into existence, as we tasted them in school when the program was held, it's very, very tasty. The taste, I was not able to get the difference between the perfumed rice and the parboiled unpolished rice that we are taking in right now. So it's very, very tasty and very nutritious.
For this one, the nutrients, there are many nutrients like low carbohydrates and vitamins. So that one, it was very little. So this is good for us.
To support sustainability, World Food Programme has invested in local rice fortification by supplying equipment valued over $80,000 to mailers in several regions. So far, more than 170 metric tons of fortified rice have been supplied to selected senior high schools, with additional production planned for private schools and vulnerable groups. Reporting for GH1 News, Isaac Justice Bediako, Ultimate FM, Kumasi.